I am so excited to be, for the first time, on location at Beautiful You Med Spa with my friends, Sheila and Leslie. Good to see you.
Hi. Good to see you.
Okay, last time I saw you, you were in studio using the StemWave machine on my very injured pinky.
That's right.
Okay, so before we get to my injury, how have things been going with StemWave?
Very good. We've been very busy with it, addressing lots of issues: feet, ankles, knees, shoulders, headache, neck.
So if somebody's watching for the first time though and doesn't know what this machine does, how would you describe it to somebody and what it does and how it makes you feel?
Okay, so the whole idea is to address inflammation, which usually causes pain in the body. So someone will come in, they've either had an injury or just something's popped up from some yard work or housework or lifting a grandkid, and they have this pain that's giving them trouble now. So they come in and we do what's called a mapping session. We kind of go slow and low, and we work up to a certain energy and target where on that tissue is really the point of injury or inflammation, and then we do a whole treatment at that point.
So what parts of the body do you work on?
Practically anything, but typically the main joints. So, neck, shoulders, anywhere along the spinal cord, lower back is a big one.
I was going to say, for me, it would probably be the back.
Yes.
Because it seems like if I'm doing too much yard work,
Yes, exactly. Yep. Hands, we do a lot of hands. We do feet for plantar fasciitis. We do knees, a lot of knees, shoulders. Really, we do everything.
So does it depend on the part of the body and or the time that you use the StemWave machine? Like, what are the sessions? How long?
So the sessions aren't very long at all. The first one is a little longer because we're mapping, trying to really target where that inflammation begins. And then after that, once we establish that and we do a treatment, I'd say the first session is probably 25 minutes or so, because I have you do some exercises or stretches and movement so I can isolate where the issue is also. And then we do the mapping, as I discussed earlier. And then we do the session, and it will vary it from one session to another, how many waves we do. Sometimes we'll start at one point and then we'll go up on waves and lower the energy. The next visit, for instance, we just do that based on how you're feeling as you go along.
First session also includes a very thorough medical check. So if we need x-rays, we'll ask for that. If they have x-rays, they can bring them in and she reads the reports. If we need to send someone for x-rays, we will do that as well, because we absolutely will know the areas that we're treating and what we're treating them for before we begin the program.
Right, and that would then dictate how many sessions you're going to need?
That's correct.
Yes.
What results are you seeing in the sense of pain relief?
So almost every single time the first session, people have more mobility, less inflammation, and more pain relief from the very first session. But not always, of course, because it's not something that happened overnight, and it's not something that's going to go away overnight. Just like with an antibiotic, when you go to the doctor and he or she gives you an antibiotic, the tendency for some folks is to take it for a day or two, and they're like, I feel better, and they quit taking it. Well, then what will happen? That infection will come back and it'd be maybe even worse. So the whole idea is to do more than one session generally, and that's what tempers down the inflammation, and eventually it goes away or gets drastically improved. So mobility increases, pain reduces, and hopefully it'll keep people out of the surgeon's office for some time longer.
Well, I remember when you were working on my pinky and you said we're going to increase the waves and increase the waves. Do you work with the person depending on what their tolerance level is? Because I liked it actually when you went up, because I can feel it. I felt like it was making a difference.
So that's really been the biggest struggle with this machine, because we're so trained to think more pain, more gain.
Right, yeah.
And I'm like, that's not what we're looking for. I want you to just barely tell me when you start to feel a little tingle, and then I go from there. That's kind of the starting point. But you still have your diehards. They're like, no, I'm okay, you can go up. And before I know it, I'm like at the top of the scale. I'm like, no. We're not doing that. Because then they're going to be sore for 2 to 3 days after, because we're really messing with that tissue.
It almost is like a deep tissue massage, and because it really works into that soft tissue, which is what separates it from a lot of these other acoustic wave modalities. It goes in deeper to that tissue, so it creates that blood flow, it creates a vascular situation, and the whole purpose of it is to decrease the inflammation so that it can address the repair aspect of it.
Which is great.
It opens the tissue and lets the blood flow.
That's what I felt in my pinky, is like it's releasing that was hurt and letting the blood flow again. And I know you're having an event coming up too to really help people, to educate people on the StemWave. What's coming up end of March?
Okay, so we will be at the Gathering Place, which is directly next to Eris's Pizza at 1332 East Republic Road, March 31st at 5:30.
And so how do people sign up, and what can people expect at the event?
So they can go to our Facebook page or our website and sign up, or they can call the office, and we have a light meal and there's no entrance to get in, and we're gonna do 5 drawings for a free StemWave treatment, and then also we'll have coupons for people to get a discounted treatment if they wish.
So you don't have to pay to come.
No, and it's just going to be a nice little interactive. They're going to have some light snacks. We'll have some beverages. We will have an interactive back and forth. She will explain different scenarios and the differences and modalities and what, again, separates this from so many other things. So it's just going to be very informational and interactive.
And we'll have the machine there and do some demos also.
That's good. People like to see it.
They do.
To believe it and
hear
feel
it.
it and experience it,
Yes.
which is correct. Now, if people want more information about StemWave and Beautiful You Med Spa, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Call or our website or email. Our phone number is 417-350-8730. The email is info.bypc@gmail.com, and our website is beautifulyoumed-spa.com.
Oh, fantastic. Well, ladies, thank you so much for your time. And I think it's time for my treatment now, right?
I think so.
All right, we'll see you right here at Beautiful You Med Spa.